My name is Terry Phillips. I'm going to be the team leader for our app called PrescribeMe.
Okay, and this is Upasna. So let's go over the summary for the app. The app is called PrescribeMe. It's designed to help patients keep track of all their medical needs. It has the ability to add new prescriptions, remove old prescriptions, make doctor's appointments, find the closest pharmacy to them, and much more. The app will be designed to help those in need or of assistance or just making everyday life easier.
So our first user story, as a user, I want to have the ability to create an account so that I have access to my personal information. So for the fields, we have John Doe, we have our email, passcode, birth date, gender, and then our phone number.
Okay, as a user, I want to sign into the application so that I can access my account and know I have successfully logged in. So once I've entered in the fields, it should take me to the home page, letting me know that I've successfully signed in.
As a user, I want to see my prescriptions in the home page so that I can view my current prescriptions I have and previous prescriptions I do not have.
As a user, I want to click on my prescription so that I can view the description of my medication.
As a user, I want to have the ability to add new prescriptions so that I can add more medication to my current plan. And as indicated on the screen, there's an arrow showing what button you push.
As a user, I want to have the ability to delete any prescription so that I can remove as many medications I do not need. So there's a delete option. So we'll just highlight one of these and press on the delete option. It should go away.
As a user, I want to sort my prescriptions from top priority to the least priority so that I can know which one I need the most.
So when you press on new prescription, you'll have the ability to enter in a field of top priority or least priority to see which one you need the most. As a user, I want to have a button that will allow me to order prescriptions so that I can go to the nearest pharmacy and pick it up.
As a user, I want to have a sign out option in the navigation bar so that I can sign out on my account. That way, like other people, they can log into theirs if they, have to use my phone.
As a user, I want to have a profile button in the navigation bar so that I can navigate to my profile information.
As a user, I want to have the option to find the nearest pharmacy in the navigation bar so that I can have the option to find the nearest pharmacy.
As a user, I want to have the option to schedule an appointment in the navigation bar so that I can have the option to make an appointment.
As a user, I want to have the option to pull up my medical information in the navigation bar so that I can view my medical history.
As a user, I want to have a button that will allow me to schedule checkups with my doctor so that I can avoid going to the office or calling.
As a user, I want to have a GPS option so that I can check the nearest pharmacy and get directions.
As a user, I want to have an option to have my medical information on the application so someone can access it in case of an emergency.
And that concludes our slide.
Thank you.